Now let's experience the Carnival. First, when the passenger opens the vehicle's sliding door, a spot lamp mounted on the side of the door turns on and illuminates the ground underneath it. You can use the light of the lamp to check the ground and access the vehicle safely. Swipe the infotainment system screen to the left and tap the user's manual icon. Scan the QR code on the screen with your smartphone to connect to the infotainment user's manual screen. You can easily check Carnival's smart features such as navigation, UVO, driver assistance, and vehicle settings. Inside Carnival, you can register frequently used functions to the Custom button to use them more easily. Tap Setup on the infotainment system and the button icon will appear. Go to Button Settings to find the Steering Wheel Custom button and Navigation Custom button. If you go to the Steering Wheel Custom button menu, you can register functions such as call rejection and voice memo. Activate the function by pressing the star-shaped Custom button on the left side of the steering wheel. In the button settings, go to the Navigation Custom button menu to find such features as Passenger Talk and Quiet Mode. After registering the desired function, press the star-shaped Custom button on the right side of the emergency light to activate the function. Separating functions between two Custom buttons is more useful. Let's take a look at the Voice Memo function. You can use it by tapping the Voice Memo icon on the infotainment system screen. You can record by pressing the Record button on the screen. You can adjust the recorded volume by moving the volume bar, and you can stop recording by pressing the Stop button. Recorded files are saved with the current location, date, and time, which is useful for remembering memos. In Carnival, you can check on the rear seat passengers through the rear view system. Swipe left on the infotainment system screen and activate the rear view icon. You can check on the rear seats with the camera installed in the front center of the second row roof. If the rear seat passenger is asleep, you can create a quiet, peaceful space with Quiet Mode. When Quiet Mode is activated on the infotainment system screen, the third row speakers will turn off. The front speaker's volume is also adjusted to 7, creating a quiet space. In Carnival, conversations between driver and rear passengers are made easier. Tap the Passenger Talk icon on the infotainment system screen to activate the function. The microphone located in the top front interior of the vehicle captures the driver's voice. The driver's voice is delivered to the rear seats through speakers mounted on the side of the third row. The rear passenger voice recognition system allows the rear passenger to set the navigation destination or lower the audio volume by pressing the voice recognition button located in the front center of the second row roof. In addition, various functions such as rear seat climate control and Quiet Mode can be controlled with voice commands. On the infotainment system screen, press the voice recognition icon and select the rear passenger voice recognition menu to set up the function. Let's take a look at the Bluetooth MultiConnection function that can connect two devices at the same time. On the infotainment system screen, tap Setup to find the Device Connections icon. Go to Device Connections, tap Bluetooth Connections, and tap the Add New button at the bottom left of the screen to display the hands-free calling and audio streaming functions. Select the desired function, press OK, search for the vehicle name on the Bluetooth device, and connect. The authentication number and connection request message will appear on the screen and the Bluetooth device. Press the Connect button on the Bluetooth device to pair it with the vehicle. Set the media by pressing the Media button on the left side of the emergency light by tapping the media icon on the screen. Easily change the streaming device by tapping the Bluetooth device switch icon. The rear seat climate control can also be adjusted from the driver's seat. On the infotainment system screen, tap the rear climate controls icon to activate the function. By moving the temperature bar on the screen, you can adjust the temperature and control the airflow direction and fan speed with precision. Temperature, airflow direction, and fan speed can also be set automatically by pressing the Auto button. Of course, the air conditioner can be operated independently from the rear seat. The panel above the second row houses the temperature controls, the automatic adjustment button, the airflow direction selection, the off button, and the air volume controls. Below the first row center console transaxle, there is the control switch for heating and ventilating the first row seats. Press the switch up and the heating wire and the cushion becomes hot. The temperature can be adjusted from level 3 to level 1. Push the switch down and the fan installed in the seat will circulate air and keep the seat surface comfortable. The airflow volume can be adjusted from level 3 to level 1. The seat warmer and ventilated seats can be turned off by holding the switch up or down for about 1.5 seconds. On the infotainment system screen, tap Setup, Vehicle, and Seat. Then go to Heated, Ventilated Features, Auto, Controls that use climate control settings, and select the steering wheel warmer and seat warmer ventilation features. Meet the Smart Carnival.